short video about how can we activate Wi-Fi connection in our vehicle. So I have a Geely Geometry C from Israel, and our cars arrived with wireless network options. But imagine you have no this option, you see only Bluetooth. So how can we do it? First, what do you need to do? It's to install the File Explorer on your vehicle, and then you can find this application into my shared folder. Look what will happen when I will press on this application. It's open for us Android options, and what can be seen now? Wi-Fi. I tap on Wi-Fi, and what we see networks. I choose my phone. I insert the password, temporary password, and you see this is the indication of the Wi-Fi. Now I press on OK on connect, and what can we see now? In few seconds, Wi-Fi connected. So now we can use our internet of the car, and we can download another applications and do whatever we want. So if you want to make a donation for me, you can make it by PayPal according to my email. So if you want to donate, feel free to donate.